सर्वांना नमस्कार. आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण इलेक्ट्रोलायटिक सेल आणि इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल म्हणजे काय आणि त्या दोघांमधला एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्स काय हे बघणार आहोत. इन टुडे सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस व्हॉट इज मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रोलायटिक सेल अँड इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल अँड डिफरन्स बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. लेट अस डिस्कस each concept in detail. So both the cells are studied under electrochemistry topic. And what is the electrochemistry? So electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with study of relationship between chemical energy and electrical energy. Okay, so this interconversion between chemical energy and electrical energy is studied under the branch of electrochemistry. So here the cell word is common in electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. So what is meant by this cell? Cell is a device or a container used for the study of electrochemical reactions. Electrochemistry deals with qualitative and quantitative study of conversion of chemical energy into the electrical energy and the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy. So basically these two type of reactions or conversions is performed in the cells, and the first cell is the electrolytic cell, okay, which converts electrical energy into the chemical energy. So electrolytic cell, it converts electrical energy into the chemical energy, and whereas the electrochemical cell, it converts chemical energy into the electrical energy. So both these cells or devices have two different purposes. So first cell converts or consumes the electrical energy, and second cell produces the electrical energy. Okay, so this is the one of the difference. Now this is the diagram of electrolytic cell. So what is the electrolytic cell? Just we have seen, okay, the cell or a device which converts electrical energy into the chemical energy. So here these are the two electrodes, okay, this left hand side electrode and right hand side electrode, and both the electrodes are deep in a container. So this is the container or this is a device, and this is a device which contain the electrodes and electrolyte solution. So this is called as the a cell. This is called as electrolytic cell or electrochemical cell. So here look at this is the electrode and this is the solution of NaCl. Now this, when we apply the electricity or battery, then this left hand electrode become the positive and right hand electrode become the negative. The left hand electrode is called as the anode and the right hand electrode is called as the cathode. So here on the anode, which process is taking place? Oxidation of chlorine takes place. Now oxidation means, okay, it is the process in which electrons are lost, or loss of electron is called as the oxidation. So here the two chlorine molecule combine together and they will form the chlorine gas, and electron will be absorbed by this anode electrode, and it will transfer to this solution from this way. Now here on this right hand electrode, this is the positive electrode and it is called as the cathode in electrolytic terminology. So on this cathode the reduction takes place. So this electron will reduce the sodium ion, so sodium will get deposited on the cathode. Okay, so basically this electrolytic cell performs the electrolysis of the solutions. Second cell is the electrochemical cell. Now so this cell converts the chemical energy into the electrical energy. Okay, now look at, this is the diagram of electrochemical cell. So here both the electrode are deep in the same solution. Now this is not the case. So this electrode, zinc electrode, is deep in its zinc sulfate solution, and the second electrode, copper electrode, is deep in its copper sulfate solution. Okay, so these are the, let's say, two half cells, copper half cell and the zinc half cell, and both are connected with each other through a porous partition, or it is called as a salt bridge. Okay, now here look at the anode cathode representation. So this zinc carries the negative charge and it is called as the anode, and this cathode, okay, it carries the positive charge. So on this anode oxidation takes place, and on this cathode reduction takes place. Okay, now what happens when we connect these two electrodes, and when we put electric bulb here, and when we connect this electrode, then bulb will glow. Okay, so what is happening, this chemical energy is getting converted into the electrical energy. So this is about the electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell, okay, which consumes the electrical energy and it convert into the chemical energy, and here it converts the chemical energy into the electrical energy. Now this electrochemical cell was discovered by Galvani, okay, Luigi Galvani and Alessandro Volta. So this electrochemical cell is also called as the galvanic cell or voltaic cells because of their contribution towards its. Now let us come to the last aspect, the difference between these two. So on the left hand side we have the electrolytic cell, and on right hand side we have the electrochemical cell. So in electrolytic cell, okay, which converts electrical energy into chemical energy, galvanic cell or any electrochemical cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Second point, the redox reaction. Redox means simultaneous oxidation reduction reaction is not spontaneous, and electrical energy has to be supplied to initiate the reaction. Okay, it means the external electrical source is required in the electrolytic cell. So in electrochemical cell, the redox reaction is spontaneous and is responsible for the production of electrical energy. Third point, both the electrodes are placed in the same container or cell in the solution of molten electrolyte, and here, okay, both electrodes are placed in a two different cell. Okay, each cell is called as half cell. So the two half cells are set up in different containers being connected through the salt bridge or porous partition. Fourth point, the external battery supplies the electrons. They enter through the cathode and come out through the anode. The electrons are supplied by species getting oxidized, and they move from the anode to the cathode in the external circuit. Second last point, here the anode is positive and cathode is negative. Here anode is negative and cathode is positive. So, and last point is same. So on the anode oxidation takes place and cathode reduction, same point is here common. Only difference is that anode is negative, here anode is positive, and cathode is negative in electrolytic cell and cathode is positive in the electrochemical cells. Only this, remember this terminology, it has different meanings. So in next lecture we will see the concept of electrode potential. What is mean by electrode potential? Okay, how to define that we will see in the next lecture. So thank you for watching this session.